Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about binary tree traversal. We already seen a video about binary trees. We have seen what is a binary tree, how it looks like, and we have seen some of the terminologies used in binary tree. And finally, we would have seen some board exam questions available. Okay, so based on that, we were discussing that video. You may get one more question in this traversal also. Okay, so one board exam question is available in traversal, so you will see in detail. The process of going through a tree is called a tree traversal. So first we have to see what is a binary tree traversal is. You are going to visit each and every node in your binary tree. That visiting all the node is called as traversing. Okay, each node is visited once, so at least once each node will be visited. Okay. There are standard ways of traversing a binary tree. You got three ways available. First way is pre-order, second is in order, and third is post-order. So we are going to see one by one how to traverse, how to visit the binary tree nodes. Now first one is pre-order traversal. First you have to visit the root. Okay, you call it as R. And then after visiting the root, go visit the left subtree. Traverse the left subtree of R. And after visiting the left subtree, go to the right subtree, traverse the right subtree of R. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it in pre-order traversal. First you are going to visit the root, and then going to visit the left subtree, and then the right subtree. Now in order traversal, visit the left subtrees first. That means traverse the left subtree of R. And second you visit the root, and third you visit the traverse or right subtree. That means you have to go to the left subtree, visit all the left subtrees, and then go to the root, visit the root, and then go to the right subtree. Okay, visit the right subtrees. Now finally you got post order traversal, traverse the left subtree of R. So first you go to the left subtree, visit all the nodes in the left subtree, and then go to the right subtree, second one. Okay, and finally visit the root. Okay, so go to left, then right subtree, and then finally root. So this is the order for post order traversal. Now you are going to say check the same thing in tabular column. Okay, pre order you can see that it is plus AB, in order it is AB plus A plus B, and post order it is AB plus. So same thing can be written as root, left, right. So visit the root first, then left subtree, and then right subtree. That is pre-order. Then in order you can see left, root, right. Okay, this is the left subtree, and then the root, and then the right subtree. In post order you can see left, right, root. So first left visit the left subtree, and then the right subtree, and then finally the root. So you can see a binary tree given here. So in exams you will get like this. So they'll ask you write the post order traversal. That means you have to select this part, left, right, and root, and then write the sequence. Okay, say for example you just check the pre-order. So you have to visit the root first. So you can see A, and then you are going to go to the left, and then you are going to go to the right. Okay, I am just taking these three nodes alone. Okay, if you have more nodes, you have to visit all the nodes. That's what the traverse means. You have to visit all the nodes. I am just taking this three nodes available, A, B, C. So it will be like first visit the root, then left, then the right. And in order traversal, first you have to visit B, that is B, and then A, then C. That means left, root, and then right. In post order, you have to first visit the left subtree, and then the right subtree, and then the root. So you have to go to B and C and A. So we come to these nodes, sub nodes in the next slides. So we are going to discuss each and every order of traversal in detail. So first you will go to pre-order traversal. You are given the tree here. So you are going to write the sequence in which order the nodes are going to be visited. Okay. So first you should know what is this root, left, right. So it is pre-order. So you visit the root first, and then the left subtree, and then the right subtree. Okay. So since it is a root, A will be marked first. So A will be the first root to be visited. Okay. And then you have to go to the left. So that's what it says, right? You have to go to the left. In left subtree you don't have any left. You got a root here. So write B. Okay. So you got B here. That is a root. And you don't have left. Okay. So you have to go to the right. So this will be the third one. So D node will be visited next. So after that left is completed, right? Root is completed, left is completed. Go to the right nodes. So in write nodes, you have to go to the root. Okay, that is C, that is 4. Okay, you can see it has been written in the sequence. After that, after root, you are going to left. Okay, so this is E, that is root for the next node. So you have to write 5, that is E. E is marked as a sequence. Okay, and then you got after root, you are going to go for left, that is G. Okay, so that has been the next in the sequence. So G is next in the sequence. And then after completing left node, you are going to the right node. So in right node, you got a root here, so that is 7. Okay, number 7 is F. And then after completing root, you are going to go to the left, that is 8. Okay, so that will be H. And then finally right, so this is I. So this will be the last node to be visited. So this is how you are going to visit in pre-order traversal. So this is the pre-order sequence is given. So you can go through it again and see how it works. Now in order traversal, first you have to visit the left nodes and then root and then finally right. So you have got a root here, you have to immediately go to the left. And here you can see B, that is the next node, okay, which is in left. And below that you don't have any other nodes to be the left, so you have to mark this as the first one. Okay, that means this is the left node. Okay, you don't have a left node here, so next comes root. So B will be marked first, and after root you are going to the right. So here you got D, that is marked next, number 2. Now after left node is completed, then next you are going for the root. So you are going to mark A as the third in sequence. So A is third in sequence, and then you are going to the right. Okay, so left root is over, left and root is over, then you are going to the right. In right, first you have to go to left. So you are going to E, that is left. Again you got one more node, that is E. So you have to go to the last point. Okay, so the last left node is G. So that has to be written the next in the sequence. So G is written next in the sequence. Then root. Okay, so E will be written next, and you don't have right here. Okay, so you are going for the next root. So C will be written next in the sequence. Now after root you are going to the right. Now in this right you got another left, right? You got another left in the root. So this H will be written next in the sequence. After left you are going to go to the root, that is F, and finally you are going to go into the right node. Okay, so beginning it may be confusing for you to understand, but once you practice it, it will be very simple. Okay, go through this video again and again so that you will know what it is. Practice yourself. You got a lot of questions available in board exams, in the board exam question papers. Try out different trees with all these 3 traversal. So once you practice, you will get to know how to solve this. Now post order traversal, you have to go first left, then right, then root. So you have to start from root, you are going to left. Okay, you got B, and beyond that you don't have left. Okay, since you don't have left, you have to visit the right. You should not go directly to the root, you have to visit the right. Okay, so this will be marked as the first in the sequence. So D will be marked as first in the sequence. After right you are going to the root. Okay, so that's why you have got B as the second in the sequence. Now after left, you can see right. Okay, so after B you are not going to the root, you are going to the right part of the traversal, that is the tree, binary tree. Now in right you got left and right for C. Okay, so you have to go to left first, and for E you got a left node, you don't have right node, so you have to go to E, that is from E you have to go to G. So G will be the third in the sequence. Okay, because it is left. You don't have right, so you have to go to the root. So E will be in the fourth. Okay, fourth in the sequence. Now after that, you from this left you are going to jump into the right side. Okay, right side you got left 2 nodes, one is left and one is right. Okay, so you have to go to the left node, that is H, that will be the next in the sequence, and then jump into the right, that is I, that will be the next 6th in the sequence, and after that root. Okay, after that root, that is F, and after for this left and right you got a root, that is C, and then for B and C you got a root, that is A, that will be the 7, 8 and 9 in the sequence. So this is the post order sequence available. Okay, so if you understood these sequences, it may be difficult in the beginning, but once you try out different trees, binary trees available in all the 3 traversal methods, traversal orders, you may get to know how to solve this. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.